Okay, let's get started. Once you have created your account on ChatGPT, this is the page that you will come to. Down at the bottom here, you will start to type in what you want ChatGPT to create for you, and you want to have your persona as specific as possible. So I want to create a lesson using a new text that I have called Hidden Figures. And I want to create a 20-minute read aloud lesson that are connected to New York State ELA standards. And I want ChatGPT to find questions that are associated with page numbers throughout the text. And of course, you can be as specific as possible if you want certain standards to align with the lesson that you're doing. And I also want to include a hook, something to engage my students right from the beginning. And let's see what ChatGPT does. So here they are creating a lesson plan and connecting it to the New York State standard, giving an objective, materials using, what materials will be used. And here are those questions that are being asked throughout the book and when to pause to ask those questions. And let's say I like what is being created so far, but maybe I wanted a different hook. ChatGPT can keep that same lesson going for me, but create a different hook. So let's add that same lesson, but different hook. And here, over here, you'll see that it is saving what we are creating, including the same information that was already given, again with a different hook. Let's see if we like this one a little bit more. And it's doing a math challenge to connect to the rockets and into space. Again, not loving that hook. Let's give it one more try, see if we like another hook. Let's actually add 2 more hooks. See if they can come up with something that is better. And here's a career guessing game hook. And here is another hook, time travel imagination. And then it went right into that lesson plan. All right, so we have a few hooks to choose from, and let's say that I'm wanting to connect this read aloud to some project-based centers. So we can do that. We can ask ChatGPT to keep the same lesson, but add to project-based 20, well, let's keep it 10-minute centers that use universal design for learning. All right, let's see what happens. And they're creating an updated lesson plan that has 2 10-minute project-based centers. Again, keeping that same lesson the same from earlier. And let's see what hook they ended up keeping, or if they include all of the hooks. And they kept that math challenge hook. And here are our questions. And the nice thing is that we can save this lesson plan and we can go in and change if we're still not liking those hooks or any part of it, to change it to fit more of our needs. And here are our 2 centers. And it gives you want to definitely double check all of the references that they might use, and please remember the biases that might come along with ChatGPT. And here's a technology center, here's an art center, and how it is connected to UDL. So let's say we like this lesson plan, we can go ahead and save it. It will save everything from the beginning that we created and all the modifications that we've made along the way. We go up here and we share the chat, and we can create a link to save it as well. All right, thank you so much for watching. Let's do the same thing next in Magic School.